When I was 11 years old, my dad took me to watch the very first 747 made in flight. I'll never forget that experience. And as a young man, it had a tremendous impact on me. I get that same feeling today every time I see a 747 take off.
You know, my history for this airplane goes back a lot of years. When I first came to the United States, was on this airplane. So it's proud to be able to say that when you see one flying or see one at the airport, I had something to do with it.
The 747-400. That airplane was designed by an incredible group of people led by Joe Sutter back in the day. And it's kind of an awesome task to now improve the most incredible airplane in the world, make it better. That was a hell of an assignment that we had to take on.
I've been here 32 years. About 25 of them have been just working on the 747, so it's a big deal to me.
Being the first crew member to fly the 747-8 is huge in any pilot's career.
We want to make sure that the pilots that fly the airplane, and the airplane reacts and works as it's designed, and we want to make sure that that carries on for the lifetime of the airplane.
The fact that it took hundreds and thousands of people to build this airplane, from design all the way through the manufacturing process, and the quality is A1.
That commitment to UPS in this 747-8 means like everything to us. I mean, you can see it as you walk around the factory and the factory workers, and they know what they're working on, they know what it's for, they know what it means to our company and to UPS.
This is a beautiful aircraft. It's very well made. We're gonna put a lot of love and care into it. We're gonna maintain it to the highest standards. It's gonna be safe, it's gonna be reliable, it's gonna be efficient.
Two great companies combining with the best they can offer for a product really better than both of us.
Boeing is the leader in aircraft design and manufacture, and UPS is the leader in transportation. They're a perfect fit. They're a synergy, they're a mesh.
Everything from the floor up is different for UPS, and we're kind of proud of making those changes for them.
The Queen will look beautiful in brown. I can hardly wait to see this airplane when it rolls out.